Hey guys, it's Crystal and I am in the kitchen today making one of my favorite things to make at Christmas time, tiger butter. And I am going to use some of my Tupperware products to do that today. One of the products that I'm going to be using is our stack cooker. This is our stack cooker. It comes with a 3-quart casserole dish. It comes with a 1 3/4 cup, not cup, sorry, 1 3/4 quart dish, a colander that will fit down into either one of these, a seal that you can use for a top, or you can also use it for a shallow baking dish, and it comes with a seal so that if you wanted to store leftovers in the fridge, you could pop the seal on one of the containers and put it in the fridge. It also comes with a cone that you can put here that will turn this into a bundt cake pan. So you use this in the microwave. You can do so many things with it. You can brown hamburger meat, you can cook a whole chicken, you can stack a meal, which is really cool. So you can put, you put potatoes in the bottom, maybe you put some chicken in the next layer, and then you put maybe a side dish of some sort on the top. Cook it in the microwave. Okay, also if you brown hamburger meat, this colander here, so if you use this, it keeps the grease off your meat, and then you can just shake it out, and then all the grease stays here and not on your meat. So we're going to use it today to melt our chocolate. So we're not going to be using the colander or these seals. So, or the cone. I'm going to start first with, this is just white chocolate almond bark, it's vanilla. I'm going to put this in the large dish, the 3/4. And I'm going to mix peanut butter in with it. This is 2/3 cup peanut butter. And I'm going to put this in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. I'm going to stir it every 30 seconds just to check on it while it's melting. Okay, our white chocolate and peanut butter mixture have come out of the microwave. I did have to cook it. I did 1.5 minutes the first time, and then I had to do about another minute after that for it to all be melted. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on our silicone mat. This is our baking sheet with a rim. I normally would use something like wax paper or foil, but this is easy cleanup and nothing sticks to it, so it's a great product to use for something like this. So I'm going to pour this mixture down. It smells so good. Move it out of the way so y'all can see. I'm just going to spread this out. And now I'm also going to use another piece of the stack cooker to melt my chocolate chips. So I'm going to put these in the microwave, and then we will put this on top of our peanut butter and white chocolate. Almost. So I'm just drizzling this on top. With my spatula. This is such an easy recipe to make. It's a fun one you could do with the kids, since you don't have to use the oven or the stove. And I'm just kind of dripping it everywhere. Doesn't have to be pretty. It's gonna look really pretty once you run a knife through it in a second. Trying to get chocolate everywhere. Okay, so now I'm going to just take up a butter knife, and I'm just going to kind of go back and forth, up and down, to where it just kind of makes a swirly design. Then I'll go this way. Look how cool that looks. So now the waiting game begins. We'll just wait on it to get hard. And once it gets hard, I'll come back and show you how easy it is to clean up and this silicone mat and to get the candy off of it. So, see you guys soon. Okay, so we have taken our tiger butter out of the refrigerator. I put it in the refrigerator about 45 minutes maybe to let it harden up. And just to go back and make sure, I don't know if I gave you all my ingredients. I used 2/3 cup of peanut butter, 2/3 cup of chocolate chips, and then a whole 20-ounce package of white chocolate almond bark. So I just wanted to show you, this is our silicone baking sheet with rim. It's got a rim around the edge. And when you put stuff on this, it is super easy to clean, guys. Just look at this. Look how clean that's coming off. I can just pull that back and there's nothing on the baking sheet at all. So I'm gonna break this apart, of course, into pieces, but I just wanted you to see how easy that is, how clean it is. Now I can just wash it off and put it up. I can also just fold it up and put it in the cabinet so it doesn't take up any room to store either. Can't wait to jump in and taste a bite of this.